Mahmood sir, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Today we all enjoy a very good debate here. I think the global did a very nice job every year. I would like to thank Mr. Javed sir to arrange this type of debate competition every year. Here today, all the students, all the participants did very well, but this is very tough for us. We are in hesitation because the students' performance really very good. And I wish a very better future. Sorry, I'm very much nervous today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.